Hey guys, today we're making one of the lesser known New Orleans classics, the Old Hickory. Now this drink dates back to the early 1800s. It's unclear exactly who created it. However, it was President Andrew Jackson's favorite drink. He loved it so much that they named it after him. That's right, people called him Old Hickory for some reason. Now this drink is fairly low ABV because there's no spirit involved. The main components are sweet and dry vermouth. And so at first glance, I did not think I would enjoy this drink. Kept thinking of that scene from Groundhog Day.
Sweet vermouth and the rocks with a twist, please.
Ugh, gross. So at first glance, I did not think I would enjoy this drink. Kept thinking of that scene from Groundhog Day.
Sweet vermouth and the rocks with a twist, please.
Ugh, gross. I did not think I would enjoy this drink. Kept thinking of that scene from Groundhog Day.
Sweet vermouth and the rocks with a twist, please.
Ugh, gross. But you know what? I was pleasantly surprised, and I will talk more about that when I do my tasting. So let's get going. So we will start with 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth. Use the sweet vermouth of your choice. I'm using Martini Rosso. And since I used Martini, let's use the Martini Dry Vermouth. 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth. Now, being a New Orleans drink, it wouldn't be complete without some Peychaud's bitters. So we will do about 3-4 dashes of Peychaud's. There we go. And then 1 dash of orange bitters. I'm using the Angostura orange bitters. And that's it. That's the drink. It's sweet vermouth, dry vermouth, and some bitters. Now it's a stirred drink since we have all booze ingredients, so we will add some ice to our mixing glass. Bunch of cubes, and I'm gonna crack another cube. Come on, cracky, cracky, cracky. All right, drop your spoon and start stirring your drink. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the button, hit that bell, get notified every time we release new content. Camera check. So stirring for about 15-20 seconds. This drink doesn't need too much dilution. There's no heavy spirit in there. So you don't have to stir too long. Okay. Let's get our julep. We're going to be serving this in a rocks glass, of course. Let's grab our big chunk ice. Big ice ball. Love those things. And let's do our pour. Love it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, RobIMX. I'm there all the time. Okay, for garnish, pretty classic, a lemon peel. And you know what to do. We're going to express those oils, rub the glass, and place it behind our ice. And there you have it. There is your Old Hickory. Now, how does it taste? Well, I was surprised by this one. I did not expect to like this. Coming from someone who doesn't usually like sweet vermouth, especially on its own, this was surprisingly delicious. It's sweet, but it's light. Nice citrus on the nose. The Peychaud adds a nice anise flavor and bitterness, but it's not overwhelming. The mix of dry and sweet vermouth together, it just works. So especially if you're wanting something that is lower in alcohol, lower ABV, lower alcohol content, I encourage you to give this a try. This was surprisingly good. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out our other videos. We have quite a few New Orleans classics already on the channel, so click that link and check it out. Earlier this week, we made the Sazerac, so click on that link to view that, and we will see you next time. Cheers.